Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a card share video. So recently I purchased a grab bag of Anna Griffin items from Tina, who is Crafty Bean here on YouTube. If you are not subscribed to her channel, you may want to subscribe if you're interested in purchasing destashes. She does a lot of destashing. So I purchased this grab bag full of Anna Griffin goodies. I placed the items that I wanted to keep in this little container that I get from Daiso. So some of the items that I kept were, like sentiments, some of the blue, beautiful flowers that Anna Griffin often has. And then some of the items I just passed on to crafty friends. But I wanted to share a couple of cards that I made with it. Now, if you watch my channel before, you know that I like die cutting. I like doing a lot of die cutting. And then I also like using paper to be the star of the cards that I make. And so sometimes I just have paper that I just really love and I don't want to cover it up too much. Or if it's pattern paper, I just want to use that. So for this a few cards that I'm going to show you, I did use some new embossing folders that I recently picked up from Spellbinders, maybe a month or so ago, maybe not that long, but they had a really awesome sale. And so whenever there's a big sale and some of them are embossing folders, I try to pick them up because I like the embossing folder. So this one was from the April 2024 embossing folder of the month. It's called Faux Stitch Petals. I don't know if you can see it very well. And then from Simon Hurley, I picked up this 3D embossing folder called Flourish. This is really beautiful. And I love the 3D embossing folders that Spellbinders release. So let me share with you the cards that I made. So these are A2 cards. And so this first one, it just had this, super cute, piece of ephemera and paper. And then here's the embossing folder that I use. This is the one from the embossing folder of the month of Faux Stitch Petals. And I used, I think this is from Honeybee, a sentiment. When I put it on there, I wasn't like thrilled with it because the sentiment is on white. And then the other color that are being used is kind of cream. But I didn't want to take a chance of stamping it and messing it up, even though I could have put it in my Misty. But I just went with it. And I thought this was a super simple card, but very, very pretty. I just love the muted colors in the back. And then here is where I used the embossing folder called Flourish. I didn't layer it too much like I normally do. I usually have 2 layers, but I thought this was pretty enough. And it's going to be, if I mail it, it's going to be pretty thick to mail. So I know it'll be additional posting, but I thought it was worth that. And then it has this sentiment, it's time to celebrate. And I think this floral here was loose and I just put it on top to give it more dimension. I think it turned out pretty. And then last but not least, no, I got one more, sorry. This card here, I didn't keep this embossing folder out, but I'll put the name of the embossing folder in the comments below. And this was just really pretty, just using the florals and the sentiment as the star. And it says, thinking of you. I just thought that was kind of pretty. And this kind of reminded me maybe like a trellis or something that the flowers would be growing up on. I don't know, but I thought it worked. And then talk about simple. This is just the whole picture was just one piece. And I just thought it looked really pretty. I backed it with some red and then some gold from Spellbinders just to give it a little pop. But, just a super sweet little note card. So here are my 4 cards using some Anna Griffin items. Let me know which one you think is the prettiest. I think I'm going to go, surprisingly, probably with the apple. I just think that's so pretty, and I just think it's simple and lovely. So let me know below. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, maybe hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.